Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we shall be seeing how to frost a cake. Here I have baked a chocolate cake, the recipe for which is already uploaded on my channel. For those of you who haven't checked this chocolate cake recipe, I shall link the same in the description box. Also, I'm using buttercream for this frosting. So the recipe for which again is already uploaded in my channel. I shall link the same in the description box. You may check it out. So here I have taken a round 9-inch chocolate cake which I have placed on a turntable. It's recommended to use a turntable while frosting because it's easier to handle the cake while you're frosting it. Also, I have trimmed the cake on the edges and on the top. So the side which is facing us now, that is the top which is facing us now, was actually the bottom of the cake while it was getting baked. So it's always recommended to make the bottom of the cake face upward so that you have a nice, neat, flat surface for frosting. So what I'm doing here is a crumb coat. A crumb coat is nothing but applying a thin layer of buttercream on the top of the cake as well as on the sides. So what a crumb coat does is basically it avoids all those stray crumbs from interrupting you when you give a thicker layer of buttercream or when you pipe different designs on your cake. There wouldn't be any stray crumbs interfering your frosting. So here I'm quickly showing you how to crumb coat a cake. So we're actually going to be frosting a 2-tier cake for which I have another 6-inch chocolate cake which I've already trimmed and crumb coated. So I've placed the 6-inch cake over the 9-inch cake. Now we have our 2-tier cake ready. So now we shall go ahead and start frosting it. Here I have a piping bag which I filled with pink buttercream and I'm using a 1M piping tip. So because 1M is the one which gives you rosettes. We shall start creating the rosettes from the bottom of the tier to the top. Make sure to space the center of the rosettes evenly. The farther apart the centers, the larger your rosettes will be. Ensure your buttercream is firm, only then will it hold the rosette shape. To give it an ombre effect, I have used a lighter shade of pink here. You may use any color of your choice and create the same effect. Friends, I am no pro in decorating a cake, but then I love to bake for my family and friends, especially on special occasions like birthdays. So this cake goes out to my husband on his birthday. It gives me immense pleasure when my family members and friends have the cake and compliment me for the same. Hope you all liked this cake decoration tutorial of mine. I hope it would help someone out there to decorate a cake for their loved ones. Do give it a try. In case you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so as to stay updated about all the videos which I post to this channel. So until I see you all the next time, take care. Bye bye.